Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to check a sample book on the Novelist application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen and you can find different buttons. You just go to the 3 point and at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here you can find the third option, the sample book. Click that. Just wait a few seconds. Open that and you can check the themes, the event, characters, locations, props, and others. You can check the write session, the organization, and the schedule. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.